Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my armory. So, voila. Let's turn on the light. So in the front I've got all my airsoft stuff hanging. Now if we're ready to gear up, I've got my ACU chest rig. I've already got that kind of loaded up with stuff I need. I've got just a kind of belt, a couple just black vests, kind of for padding. I don't use those in my loadout right now, but then I've got a ACU BDU jacket. I use that in the winter. And then I've got a couple of ACU shirts. I think you can tell my loadout to ACU. Now on the inside, I've got two helmets. These are actually the same helmet. This one has some custom work done on it though. And this one goes for either my dad, my sister, a friend, anyone else who's playing. So, it's got painted both of those. It's got Airsoft target back here. It's actually pretty cool. Knock this one down. That's actually all crumpled up. Anyway, but if you hit the smallest one after they're all knocked down, they'll all pop back up so you can keep shooting. Okay, moving down. We've got a lot of A&W cans for target practice and a holster. Oh, sorry. Actually, here's my gas pistol too. That magazine's not working right now. I'm gonna fix that. And then here, I've got my smart charger, and this thing's charging right now. But then I just got a box of really random stuff in here. Now onto the guns. Here's the little gun corner. I've got a Tokyo Marui G36C firing around 280 FPS. Okay. Tokyo Marui Thompson M1A1. That fires around 280 FPS also. It's full metal except for the imitation wood. That's plastic. And my primary weapon it's a JG AK-47. It's got 1,000 round mag on it. Bipod foregrip. And a custom camera job on it. Very nice gun. I like it a lot. Shoots from like 380 to 400 FPS. Has a decent rate of fire. So, and I'll go ahead and add in the pistol. The pistol it's a Wind Gun Special Combat 1911. You see some of the trademarks there. And that shoots around the same as my AK, so like 380 to 400 FPS. The FPS dies down the more you use gas. It uses CO2. So there's my collection. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe.